Good morning, dear learners. Welcome to the fun world of numbers. And today, let us have the math-related craft making, which is how to make origami. But before that, just sit and listen. So, this is Teacher Jane. Join me in the fun art making. So, let's start. So, what is origami? So origami is the art of folding paper. Origami is a direct translation of to fold paper in Japanese. Ori means to fold and kami means paper. So it has no set rule book. As long as there is paper and it's gonna be folded, that is called origami. Okay, so we have the earliest form of origami ever found is an ancient map called the Turin Papyrus map made in 1160 BC. So origami became a very prominent art form in Japan and in Europe from as early as 1490. So one of the oldest documents written about origami is the Zen Bazuru Orikita, which translates to 1000 origami cranes and was written in around 1797. Origami has gone through many different styles, including loosely folded origami in Japan that had no exact fold position, so it was up to personal taste to decide the shape. We have here the types of origami. One is the traditional origami. It is well-known origami such as the origami crane that has no known author. So these origami models are in the public domain. It includes small cuts and you can use glue to keep them together. Next one is modular origami. So origami which uses more than one sheet of paper of any shape to create a complete model. Example, we have the kusudamas or flower balls and simple origami boxes. 3. Golden Venture Folding Origami. So best known as 3D origami. And these are three-dimensional models that are made from hundreds of tiny origami units and also require glue. Pure origami or pure land origami. So it is invented by John Smith. It restricts the folder to use just square paper and absolutely nothing else, which gives a strange idea that it is a strict art form. 5 is the 3D origami. So at a type of origami created using multiple triangular units that are joined together to form a continuous design. So each triangle is made from a rectangular sheet of paper and you can mix multiple paper colors and patterns to create design. Steps to do in creating a 3D origami. We have your small triangle units. Step 1. Cut the paper and make initial folds. So cut a sheet of square origami paper in half. Place one rectangular piece of paper horizontally in front of you. Fold the paper half horizontally, then make a guide crease by folding the paper in half down the vertical middle and then unfolding. So here's the example picture. Step number 2, fold the sides. So fold down the left and right sides to make a point at the top as shown in the photo below. So here it is. Number 3, flip the paper and fold the sides. Flip the paper over, then fold the left and right sides up as shown in the photo below. Here it is. 4. Make a triangle. So fold the bottom 2 points up so your paper is shaped like a triangle. So we have the photo below. Okay. Next, step number 5. Complete your 3D origami unit. So fold your triangle in half along the middle crease. This completes your first 3D origami unit. So here it is. And step number 6, keep forming units to create a 3D origami design. So you will repeat steps 1 to 5 to make 3D origami units. So each unit has two sides, the tabs and the pocket. The tabs are the 2 points were created by the fold in step number 3, while the pockets are the result of the folds in step 2 and step number 5. So 6, keep forming units to create a 3D origami design. To make a 3D origami model, you slip the tabs of the second unit into the pockets of the unit immediately before it. So different shapes are created by the angle at which the units are joined together. So depending on what you are trying to make, use glue to keep the units together at the angles necessary to give the model in shape. Here, just like that. So we have here different example 3D origami projects. The basket, another basket, and that one. So it's so pretty. So here are some origami websites. 1. GiladOrigami.com. It is an older website run by Gilad Aharoni, an origami designer and collector of origami information. This is a very detailed website containing a huge database of information on origami models and their designers. Origami books that contains more information that you could possibly ever need. Next one is origami.me. It is also run by Peter Saidak, includes some origami tutorials and nice list of origami models with links to the tutorials. So this website also has a great blog article section which has some great articles ongoing in the origami world. And number 3, origamispirit.com. So a wonderful origami tutorial website run by Leila Torres, who also has a YouTube channel. So this blog style origami website has many fun and well-made tutorials for many different origami models by different origami designers. 4, paperkawaii.com. So a popular website regularly updated with new content, run by Chrissy Pushkin, who has also a YouTube channel. And this website has hundreds of origami tutorials. So a lot in video format, some diagrams, and other paper crafts, projects, reviews, and printable origami paper. And then 5, happyfolding.com. So run by Sarah Adams, an origami designer and YouTube tutorial creator. So there are many origami tutorials on her website as well as a great collection of diagrams, and it is updated regularly. 6, origami-club.com. So it is an older, clunky website run by Fumaki Shingu. This is a very popular website with a great selection of origami diagrams. So they are more simple designs with a very Japanese style. So the website is updated with new designs sometimes. So here are other origami examples. We have the origami heart, origami lotus flower, origami jumping frog, and origami animal poppers. And we have origami gift bag, origami box divider, and easy origami cat face. So you can try this out and visit the different website for more origami tutorials. So origami will never lose its charm because it's fun, rewarding, and challenging. So there is always a new model to discover or a different method of folding to try out. So with that, thank you for listening and enjoy creating crafts. Once again, good morning and have a good day ahead.